In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize password page on Shopify. When your Shopify store is protected with a password, visitors will see a password page instead of your storefront. This is common when you are still building your site or preparing for a launch. Customizing that page helps it look consistent with your brand and gives visitors clear information about what to expect. To begin, sign in to your Shopify admin. From your main admin menu, go to Online Store, then select Themes. This is where you manage the design of your store and control which theme is currently live. On the Themes page, look for the section that shows your active theme. This is the theme your store is using right now. Next to that active theme, click Customize. This opens the Theme Editor, which is the visual tool Shopify provides for adjusting layouts, text, images, and other theme settings without needing to edit code. Once the editor loads, take a moment to look at the top area of the screen. You will see a drop-down that usually says Home Page. This drop-down controls which template you are previewing and editing. If you stay on the homepage view, you will not be editing the password page, so it is important to switch the template here. Click the homepage drop-down menu at the very top of the editor. A list of available pages and templates will appear. In that menu, type the word password into the search field, or scroll until you find the password option. Select password, and the editor will load your password page template. After you select it, you will be viewing the password page layout inside the theme editor. This is the correct place to make changes to the password page appearance for your active theme. Make sure you confirm you are still editing the active theme, especially if you have multiple themes installed. If you do not see the password page after selecting it, wait a moment for the preview to refresh and confirm you selected password from the top dropdown. From here, you can proceed with your theme editor adjustments, knowing you are working on the password page template specifically. And that is all there is to it.